this loss, in order to avoid this loss, he entered into a put option. And he says to the buyer, look, I will be receiving $1 million at the end of 30 days, and I am gonna sell you this $1 million at 7. Right? This is the rate. Yen over dollar. Understand?
Yeah.
But I am entering into a put option, which means it is my right or my option to sell you this $1 million or not. Buyer will agree? No. Buyer will say that give me premium. There is a cost of this right to sell. So premium, for example, you paid $1,000 to this buyer. Understand? The buyer said, okay. For buyer, this is obligation to oblige the orders from seller, and from seller, this is option or right to sell, option to sell. Now after 30 days happened, right? Now let me just change the color here. Now you are here. 30 days have arrived. There are two possibilities. Number one, number two. Number one, that is exchange rate go up to 7.3. Right? You receive $1 million, right? And now you have a put option contract. You will think about that. If I sell my $1 million to this buyer, the rate is 7, right? He will give me 7 million. But if I sell into the market, I would be receiving 7.3 million, right?
Yeah.
So you say that, look, I'm not going to sell you. You already have this $1,000 premium. Bye-bye. You cancel this option.
Okay, I get it. Thank you.
The number two, okay, let me complete it. So those who are not here with us, when they see this video, they are also benefited with this. Okay. Now, what if rate is 6.5? Right? Now in the market, let me just write it down here. This is market rate. This is market rate. Now, at the expiry, market rate is 6.5. So if you go to the market, you receive $1 million, you would be receiving 6.5 million. And you think about that, what if I sell this $1 million to this buyer, I would be receiving how much? Because contract rate is 7. So which one is good? Receiving 7 million or receiving 6.5 million? You would say that, buyer, I will exercise my option. Now it is your duty, it is your obligation to sell, as to buy from me this $1 million. Okay, so this is how we you can say enter into a put option. Understand? Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes to digest. Read it again, these two definitions, and after that we will move forward.
So basically the differences between the options and the future contracts are the obligations.
Yes, obligation from both parties.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
I wanted to ask you, what time does the class end?
It's 9:45. Oh, sorry. It's 9:10 to 11:45.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's move forward. Now, international money market. What's the time right now? Oh. We took too much time, huh? Okay, guys. Okay, class. So we have just successfully ended our today's lecture. So hope you like it.
Sir, I have a question.
And yeah, sure.
So you told us to do some practice and send it to you. You want us to put it on a Word file or just a picture?
No, just those pictures. Send it to my WeChat, in not personal WeChat, in a group. Okay.
In a group.
Yeah, in the group as well, so that I know that you
Okay.
participated. So I just gave you the marks of our class participation as well.
Sir, I will send you the screenshot if you don't mind. Like we agreed at the start.
Perfectly fine, David. Perfectly fine. Whether
Okay,
it's
thank
a
you.
screenshot, the rough work from your pencil, or the e-pencil, whatsoever.
Sounds good.
Okay. Okay, guys. See you next time.
See you.
Thank you very
Have a
much,
great
sir, and
week
thank you,
as well.
Nicola.
Bye-bye.